The local time is 7:40. We will be taxiing for a few minutes, and we do require that you remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and keep your carry-on items properly stowed until Captain Hartzler has brought the aircraft to a full stop at the terminal building and has signaled the all clear by turning off the fasten seatbelt sign. Once he has done so, exercise extreme caution when opening the overhead compartments, as your carry-on articles do shift during flight. Once inside the terminal building, please comply with all local airport restrictions concerning smoking. If you have any questions regarding ground transportation, baggage claim, or future AirTran flights, there will be a uniformed agent just inside